Look at the weather. Have a bad weather here in Switzerland. Sayang, umulan. Grabe. So, kaya we will pass by first in Lucerne. Come and join us, Kalakwachero. We go to Lucerne. The weather is bad, but we go pass by here in Lucerne, Switzerland, bago kami tumuloy sa Germany. Yes, we are now in Lucerne, Switzerland. This is actually our second time here, but with our family, there's the first time here in Lucerne. So at least we will explore Lucerne and we let them see how Lucerne look like. Ayan, medyo umaambon pa siya. Maambon-ambon pa sa Lucerne, but for sure pagbaba natin ay titigil ng ulan. O diba, wala nang ulan. Look, thank you Lord, no more rain. Ayan, so we're here now. Look, so this is it. This is the Lake of Lucerne here in Switzerland. At merong ano ba yan, swan. Look at the swan. Picture, Sophia, with the swan. Yes. Ang daming swan dito. Tsaka yan yung boat. Yan yung mga boat dito if you want to cruise here on the Lucerne surrounding. At ang dami-daming swan at mga itik, bibi. Masarap yan. Fried itik, diba? So, this is Lucerne. Look! So, ayan, may upuan pa dito. But basa ngayon ang upuan kasi umulan. Pero kita nyo, ang ganda. I never been here for boating. Yung sumakay dyan sa ferry. One day, one time. I think sa susunod na trip ko dito sa Lucerne, I will ride on that ferry. And they also have market here. Yeah, look, there's the ferry. Yeah, aalis na ang ferry. And look, meron pang snow sa mga mountains na yun. Ayan ang snow. Hindi actually snow, parang smoke lang. Yeah, clouds because it's raining earlier. So that's why they have some clouds over there. Yeah, but that's the ferry. And here we are by the port. Diba? Ayan, si Crisel. The second time na rin niya dito actually sa Lucerne. We're here December last year in Lucerne, diba, Crisel? So, but now it's summer. So, at least makikita natin how is Lucerne in summer. Kasi nung we came here last time, it is winter. So, kaya, diba, bongga si Ate Crisel, naka-short siya ngayon. Kasi summer. So, picture, ate. Ayan. And wow, look at this. They have a rainbow. Rainbow. Oh, I'm so thankful talaga. Every time we go to a country, Papa God really always give us a rainbow. Like parang wini-welcome niya kami. Welcome to Switzerland. Ganon. Diba? Nakita mo, it's so beautiful the rainbow na. Ayan oh, look. Talagang wini-welcome tayo ni Papa God dito. Sabi niya, welcome to Switzerland. They welcome my family here na. Yes, look, it's beautiful rainbow. Right? So, ayan, picture kayo dito. Dahil first time nila dito sa Lucerne, Switzerland. Oh, ayan, you want to ride that boat, Panchoten? We will go cross the road. Actually, there's the castle here in Lucerne, and that the most popular chapel bridge they called. It's a bridge, and it's very popular. Ayan, so picture, my family here by the chapel bridge. Picture muna tayo. Cheers! Yes! This is the bridge here in Lucerne. Ayan ang chapel bridge. So magpicture na kayong mabuti dyan. At si Ate Isel, picture by the lake. Oh, ayan. Picture din Banchoten. Yeah, nice. Ayan. Madami ka ng picture ha. Nakakarami ka na. Ayan, no? Dami mo ng picture ngayon, Ate Crisel. Hoy, anong inarte mo sa picture? Ba't may masakit ang ulo? Ganyan, gunner. Pero kasi uminom ka siguro ng beer. Ayan, laking beer. O, diba? Laki-laki ng beer can na yun. O, ayan, Mark, kaya mo bang ubusin ng isang ganyang beer? O, ayan, sila vlog picture din. So, picture tayo. Oh, with the clouds. Wow! Nice and beautiful clouds. Thank you, Lucerne. Thank you. Ayan, balik na tayo sa car. O, diba? Ayan, biyahe ulit tayo. Thank you.